Question number 271. A company uses Microsoft 365. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, the Microsoft 365 Roadmap portal displays the specific month and year that the new feature of Microsoft Teams will be generally available. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, the Microsoft 365 Roadmap portal displays the specific day and month that the new feature of Microsoft Yammer will be available in a company's tenant. The correct answer is no. The third statement is, the Microsoft 365 Roadmap portal allows for a company to provide feedback about specific Microsoft Office 365 features that are listed in the portal. The correct answer is yes. Question number 272. A company plans to implement Microsoft Defender for Office 365. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, you can configure Microsoft Defender for Office 365 policies to set the appropriate level of protection for your organization. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, you can use Automated Investigation and Response (AIR) capabilities to start a security playbook for an automated investigation. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is, you can configure the Microsoft Defender for Office 365 Attack Simulator to identify vulnerable users to help prevent a real attack. The correct answer is yes. Question number 273. A company plans to implement an insider risk solution in Microsoft 365. The company needs to implement a solution that meets the following requirements: uses machine learning to identify email risk, provides workflow to remediate email risk, provides a dashboard to display email risks, action, and trends. You need to identify a solution that meets the requirement. Which solution should you select? Option A, Communication Compliance Policies. Option B, Core e-discovery cases. Option C, Advanced e-discovery cases. Option D, Sensitivity labels. The correct answer is option A, Communication Compliance Policies. Question number 274. A company uses Microsoft 365 services that include Microsoft e-discovery. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, Microsoft e-discovery can be used to identify email content needed as evidence in a legal case. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, Microsoft e-discovery can be used to search for specific documents that are stored in SharePoint Online. The correct answer is no. The third statement is, Microsoft e-discovery can be used to ensure that documents in SharePoint sites are retained for 7 years and then deleted. The correct answer is no. Question number 275. A company deploys Microsoft 365. The company plans to use sensitivity labels. You need to identify the capabilities of sensitivity labels. What are three capabilities of sensitivity labels? Option A. Sensitivity labels can be customized. Option B. Sensitivity labels can ensure that a document is retained indefinitely. Option C. Sensitivity labels can trigger disposition reviews. Option D. Sensitivity labels can be used to encrypt documents. Option E. Sensitivity labels can automatically be applied to documents. The correct answers are Option A. Sensitivity labels can be customized. Option D. Sensitivity labels can be used to encrypt documents. Option E. Sensitivity labels can automatically be applied to documents. Question number 276. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is Microsoft Defender for cloud apps can integrate with multiple clouds. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is Microsoft Defender for cloud apps can be used to access the regulatory compliance of cloud apps. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is Microsoft Defender for cloud apps can provide behavior analytics and anomaly detection. The correct answer is yes. Question number 277. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is the direct bill cloud solution provider model allows customer to purchase licenses directly from Microsoft. The correct answer is no. The second statement is the direct bill cloud solution provider model allows a single organizational point of contact for technical support. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is the direct bill cloud solution provider model allows a single organizational point of contact for billing. The correct answer is yes. Question number 278. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is storing 1 TB of data in Azure Blob Storage will always cost the same regardless of the Azure region in which the data is located. The correct answer is no. The second statement is when you use a general purpose V2 Azure storage account, you are only charged for the amount of data that is stored. All read and write operations are free. The correct answer is no. The third statement is transferring data between Azure storage account in different Azure region is free. The correct answer is no. Question number 279. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. You deploy an Azure resource. The resource becomes unavailable for an extended period due to a service outage. Microsoft will. The correct answer is credit your Azure account. Question number 280. This question requires that you evaluate the underlying text to determine if it is correct. Azure Germany can be used by legal residents of Germany only. Review the underlying text. If it makes the correct statement, select No change is needed. If the statement is incorrect, select the answer choice that makes the statement correct. Option A, no change is needed. Option B, only enterprises that are registered in Germany. Option C, only enterprises that purchase their Azure licenses from a partner based in Germany. Option D, any user or enterprise that requires its data to reside in Germany. The correct answer is option D, any user or enterprise that requires its data to reside in Germany.